Welcome to the Learning Resource Center. If you're looking for subscribed databases, go to the following webpage: library.umt.edu.pk. Now click the Learning Resources tab and then click e-Databases at the left of the page. Here is the complete list of the databases subscribed by UMT. In this tutorial, you will learn how to search an Emerald Insight database. Emerald is a long-established publisher with over 200 titles in the fields of management, information science, and engineering. All of Emerald research journals are peer-reviewed to ensure the highest quality. When you open Emerald through UMT network, you need not any institutional login. This is mentioned that access provided by University of Management and Technology. Now click the search bar and write down your search query for a simple search, then press enter. Always select the option Only show content I have full access to. You can check the number of results. Now click the full text option under your required title to download the full text document. Let's have a look on advanced search. Here you can add multiple searching tabs. Now select the title option and put the same query in the search bar. If you want to specify the publication time period, please select the start and end date, then press enter. Also select the same option of full access. Now compare the search results.
To find more specific results, apply some commands in the advanced search like quotation marks. Apply inverted commas in the start and end of the search query, and also select item title.
Specify the publication time period. Now you will get more refined results. To download the full text article, click View PDF. Now click the download icon. Thank you.